Welcome back. And our fifth drill is Tony's fast draw 80 yards. Now I gotta tell you, this can be a nightmare for a lot of shooters because we don't practice to shoot 80 yards free-handed, especially from drawing fire. And for this very reason, I limit it to only up to 5 shots. You can't shoot more than 5 because you could empty your magazine and never hit the target. But this guy's been shooting with me on a regular basis, so they all did very well. And this steel is not a big steel like the one we have at the regular shooting range at 100 yards. This is actually a quite small, a torso-sized steel. As expected, Tony set the record, and as for me, I actually did a little bit worse than the usual. Okay, so next drill is going to be Tony's fast draws. He had the idea of draw and shoot at 80 yards. So off the book, I think he did a 1.7 second last time. And I think my best was 1.75, okay? But it doesn't count, it's unofficial. So today we're gonna set the record. So we're gonna shoot 80 yards from a holster. We're gonna draw and fire. So you're allowed to shoot up to 5 shots. And if you don't hit it within 5 shots, you stop. And so and then you're gonna take 3-second penalty plus your time, okay? So we're gonna get 5 tries, okay? And that's it. So Tony's gonna go first because this is his drill.
All right. Shoot ready. Stand by.
Nice.
204. 204. On the second shot.
Second shot, so.
226. Three, 2-6. That holster though. 217, 217.
Nice.
Shoot ready. Stand by.
Nice.
170.
170?
Official codified 170.
Okay.
That is the record.
Pressure.
Yeah.
So who's next?
All right, next is Tom.
How do you look? You get it your best time on the last one. That's
Tom, you gotta go 50 yards, okay?
Okay, that's the third one.
That's the top one.
Okay.
Very top one. You're shooting to the left. There you go.
Okay. 6.24. Ooh,
Nice.
235. 235.
Nice.
228.
Maybe we shouldn't give him a handicap.
That's it. Yeah. 565. Shoot ready. Stand by.
Nice.
201.
Very good.
Wow. 201. Yeah. Wow. Shoot ready. Stand by.
Nice.
195.
Woo.
195. Very nice. High. 435. 435. 455.
Nice.
484. You're able to find a target. That's good.
Go one more run.
Yeah, that was it. Hit on the third one. Shooter ready. Stand by.
Nice.
333. 333.
Nice.
Nice. 278. 278.
Nice.
475. 475. Shooter ready. Stand by.
Nice.
241. 241.
Very good.
Consistent. 255. 255. Stand by.
Nice.
Nice. 269.
You know, from a consumer, you get 0.3 second off.
Okay. So, all right.
Nice.
Nice. 273. Stand by. 4.81.
Nice.
Nice. 2.32. Last round, shooter ready. Stand by.
Nice.
Nice. 2.13. And unload, show clear. Nice.
Hit.
5.19.
Hit.
3.95.
Nice.
Nice. 3.50.
Stop.
9.68. You got one more round.
9.68?
9.68.
Yeah, we'll give him the 6 shot.
All right.
Nice.
Nice. 3.81. And unload, show clear. Stand by. Nice. 5.48.
You're shooting way low.
Yeah, way low and way right.
Okay.
It's in the tree.
I think your red dot might be off.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
way
in the
off.
tree.
Okay, what's the time?
15.64. Shoot ready. Stand by.
Nice.
Nice. Killed it. 3.46.
High.
Nice.
Nice. 11.04.
Nice.
Nice. 6.99. And unload, show clear.
I'm gonna take my down.
I find if you turn it down at longer range, it's a little easier. Okay, shooter ready. Stand by. Nice. 3.22. Shooter ready. Stand by. Nice. 2.02. Oh, nice. Quick makeup. 2.46. 6.39.
I'm joking.
Was that more than 5?
Was it more than 5?
I don't know.
Is 6.3. Oh, it was, I think it was.
How many
more than
shots?
How many
Yeah.
shots?
Yeah.
I mean, it says in the bottom.
That does it.
Other than this
Oh,
one.
Yeah.
Six.
So, okay.
Okay. We'll give it to
We'll
you,
give it to
Tucker.
you.
Alright, kid. Alright.
All your first shots have been in like the 7-ish, 1-8 range. So
Okay.
you're right there. All right, shooter ready. Stand by.
Where's my red dot? I can't find my red dot.
3.44. Unload, show clear.
Okay,
That's
so
what I noticed until I had to bring it back up because I'm so used to the top.